up? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be playing you can literally see. But first of all, the title, and second of all, yeah. That's it right now. But if you're blind, no offense to people who actually are blind, we're playing Subway Surfers. So yeah. You enter your age. This game was a 12, so I am actually 10 in, but I don't know why this game is a 12, so I guess I'm gonna put 13 if I don't want to be like not eligible and then I have to delete the app. So you know, we won't talk about that because that may not have happened before. But my real age TikTok, and yeah, I had to delete the app, reinstall it to make my account. It's just boring again. Can you create remember, you guys, one subscriber. If I'm not saying I really have to, like I can't, but yeah, I do. If I've got 3 subs on my channel by the end of by Monday, next Monday, I'm gonna post a TikTok and I'm gonna post it to YouTube as well. Me doing spooky spin. I like to style with a P. Spooky scary. I'm gonna put it into tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Beep. Yeah. Yeah. I have played this game. I haven't played in a long time actually. Fresh moves. Yeah. It never said that before. So that's an update. I think I played this like a year ago. I don't know if that's even what a hoverboard. I've got a hoverboard. Wait, how did I hoverboard again? You're on, yeah. Sherlock, love you. Ouch. Ow. When I'm recording, it lags. So if I wasn't recording, I would have been on super. Right, let's do that again. How do I activate my hoverboard? Can someone tell me how the hell I'm supposed to activate this hoverboard thing? I'm such a noob. I don't even know how to activate the hoverboard. And you guys are probably going to be scaring me. You just press that button! And I'm like, oh wait, what? War in the jungle. Oh no, oh, okay, I jumped off the train. Eee! Oh, there's this thing. Yeah, boy! What does this do? Oh, jump higher, let's go. Yeet. Yeet. Yeet! Yeet! Mission master. I didn't complete another mission, but I'm... Oh wait, did I? Oh, 2 times. Oh, sorry, can they? No! Ouch. No, I do not want to land. No, I died. I mean, I got a new ice score. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Don't start from scratch. Tap to find out if you have progress that we can restore from our legacy data. No matter. Welcome to ballet. Ballet. Does it say ballet or ballet? I don't know. Take a trip to the ballet, whatever. Explore the island subway with me in her new bum outfit. That is kind of... Collect tokens to grab all the new season prizes. Okay. Surf with a higher purpose. Complete 2 missions in 1 run. I did a mission, but I did. I got a key. I got 3 keys. Ooh, yay! Everybody wants to be playing on 2 characters. But he's got right. Oh, this looks different. Oh, this looks different now. Oh, this looks very different. What? Oh my god, this looks. This guy. How do I look? How? Yeah, so cool. Yeah, I got free one. Let's go. 12 of Jake's break. Ooh. Who's Jake? I have to get 500 euro first. Ninja. I have to get coins. How do I get the other stuff here? Free. Let's go. Duh. Ooh. Oh, it's free. Yeah, it's who's this guy? Okay. Lucy. Ooh. Can't wait to is that like 980? Is that 98 million? If you've got that, you are literally sweats. You are sweats. Anyway, oh Tasha. The season into 4 hours. I just what? Got to get to we've what? Got over 200 to get her. Got 4 hours to get her. Jesus. How do I work hunts? Spell fairy. Fairy. Okay, right, we've got to spell fairy, you guys. By that, if you hit the like button, then that's a free fairy. Oh, I've got £3 for her. Jesus. Only for a look. Who's gonna spend money for a look? I mean, the looks don't really matter. Oh, £5! Jesus. Boards. How am I supposed to get? How am I supposed to even use the boards? Yeah, I get this for free, and I think I get that one for free because it's got a gift thing. Yay! I got something for free. Okay, I am gonna play the game in a minute. I'm just doing stuff. Yeah, I got Star Trail as well. Yay! Okay, right. Okay, we need to. Still don't know how I use the board, but wait, press on hold something. I don't know how to use the board, bruh. This game reminds me of Minion Rush. I remember I used to play that a lot when I was a little kid. Jump! Ha! Oh, got an R. Yes. Oh, that's cool. A little life hack if you just want to instantly go down. Ha. Ha. Oh, I think for a second I thought I died. I mean, not died, but I mean, if you get hit by a train, then yeah, you're dead. Hey, get off me, sir! I'm about to get my other R. Yes! Yes! Oh! Whoa! Got a bottle, yee! Whoa! ×2. Yep. Oh, that's cool. That's something. Oh, why? Yeah. Get off me, sir. Okay, bro. I'm only just spray painting. Whoa. Woo. I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. Yes. I'm doing so good. After this, bro, I'm gonna be like, oh god, it's getting really complicated now. Finally died. I mean, now I'm going to prison. Yay. Not yay, but yay at the same time. I'm gonna have to end the video soon, you guys. Most of the video is just me looking at the skins. Okay, we've got this. Right, what's in it? 1,000 coins! No way! And cut to that. Oh my god, I've got 1,561 coins. That seems bad, but I think is that good? I don't know. Friends. I don't have friends at all. These are just robots, I think. Yo, will someone go? Oh. Am I anywhere? No. Yeah! I'm on the board. I'm second to last. Go. That's gonna be it for the video, you guys. I mean, I hope you enjoyed Subway Surfers. That last one was literally like the best one ever. Oh, I almost forgot. Actually, no, you're not here. Missions. Where was it? I got one, remember? Guys. I got one, I swear. No, what? I didn't. Oh, I picked up 200 coins in one run. I can do that next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to like if you enjoy the video. You don't have to, but you do have to subscribe, or else the Cookie Monster will eat all your cookies. But if you do subscribe, then you get a free cookie. Yay! Free cookies for everyone. All you've got to do is subscribe. Anyway, bye. Hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye. See you in the next one. Peace.